How to erase unnecessary or negative images from children's memory. Introduction. In today's digital age, children are constantly exposed to a barrage of images, some of which may be unnecessary, negative, or inappropriate. These unwanted images, including exaggerated cartoon visuals or unsettling scenes, can occupy a child's mind, affecting their behavior, emotional health, and even their ability to focus. As parents, educators, and caregivers, it's essential to guide children in letting go of such memories and fostering a healthy mental space. Here are effective strategies to address this issue. Understanding why these images persist. Repetition and emotional impact. Images tied to strong emotions or frequently seen, for example, scary or loud cartoons, are stored more prominently in a child's mind. Brain's memory mechanism. The hippocampus, responsible for memory storage, tends to retain visually striking and unusual images longer. Imagination in children. Children naturally have a vivid imagination, which can amplify and reinforce unnecessary images. Steps to help children. Erase negative or unnecessary images, limit exposure to harmful content, monitor, and curate what children watch. Choose age-appropriate and educational programs that promote positive imagery. Redirect focus through positive visualization. Encourage the child to visualize pleasant and happy scenes, for example, playing in a park, family vacations. Guide them to replace the bad image in their mind with something comforting. Storytelling and creative expression. Use stories to help reframe their perception. For instance, a scary character can be turned into a funny or harmless one in a story. Encourage them to draw or talk about their fears to release negative emotions. Use memory replacement techniques. Play a calming video or show inspiring images right before bed. This can help overwrite negative images stored during the day. Introduce affirmations like, "You are safe," and happy thoughts fill your mind. Engage in relaxation and mindfulness activities. Teach children breathing exercises or simple mindfulness techniques to help calm their minds. Practices like imagining their favorite superhero protecting them can help diminish scary or unnecessary images. Encourage physical activity and outdoor play. Physical activities like running, dancing, or sports help shift focus and release mental stress. Nature exposure promotes mental clarity and reduces the impact of unwanted images. Avoid repeated discussions about the image. Avoid frequently asking the child about the negative image. This may reinforce it. Instead, distract them with engaging and positive topics. Positive bedtime rituals. A bedtime story, relaxing music, or gentle conversations can help shift their focus to happy thoughts before sleeping. Seek professional guidance if necessary. If a child shows persistent anxiety or disturbed sleep due to unwanted memories, consult a child psychologist for tailored intervention. Teaching long-term resilience media. Literacy. Teach children to critically understand media, distinguishing between reality and fiction. Empowerment. Encourage children to feel in control of their thoughts, emphasizing that they can let go of what they don't need. Build emotional security. Foster a safe and open environment where they feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and fears. Conclusion. Unnecessary or negative images can burden a child's mind, but with consistent efforts, they can be guided toward letting go of these memories. By limiting exposure, replacing negative visuals with positive ones, and building emotional resilience, we can nurture a healthier, happier mental space for our children. Let us remember, just as a child's mind can absorb the unnecessary,